Hey Christmas fans, and welcome to Brick Bakery, where all our jokes are half baked, and today we're counting down to Brickmas with a small Christmas MOC. This Christmas MOC was partially inspired by a Danish Christmas song called Dear Old Santa, or Kære gamle julemand in Danish. The song is about a couple of children sitting in their room and wondering if the sounds they hear are actually Santa Claus. Sadly, the song is also about losing your childhood belief in Santa Claus. In this MOC, I've tried to capture the moment where we as children believe that we have definitely seen Santa Claus. The story here is about Edwin, who woke up in the middle of night hearing a rustling and bustling from the living room, and he went on to investigate. When he entered the living room, he saw a present standing in front of the fireplace, but because of some sounds that he couldn't explain, he hid behind the fireplace, and maybe, just maybe, he saw a red and white shadow leave the living room. The MOC has an 8x12 footprint. The central part is a fireplace that has a functional light inside. The whole thing sits atop a base that's supposed to look like a Christmas present with a bow and some holly for decoration. There's a Santa Claus from a LEGO advent calendar from the mid-2000s. And the small boy is also from that advent calendar. The small present is from the collectible minifigures Series 18. The brown tiles are mostly from the Harry Potter board game. I've used new and old, dark and light grey for the fireplace, and red and white 1x something bricks for the present. Inside the fireplace there are various transparent pieces in orange, yellow and red to simulate fire. And even though it can't be seen from the front, I've used some time decorating the back as well with a brick pattern. The main feature is of course the light inside that is actually working. That effect has been achieved with an artificial candle like this. That was a small Christmas MOC with a story about Edwin who went into the living room to find out what noises he was hearing. Just like that old Danish Christmas song, Edwin was trying to find out what was in the living room at Christmas. I do have a theory about what was in the living room that evening, but maybe you have too, and let me know in the comments below what you think. But that's all for me today. I hope you'll comment, like and subscribe, and hope I'll see you guys next Monday.